In a major push to upgrade healthcare infrastructure, the Meghalaya government has launched the Meghalaya Health Advancement Policy, providing financial assistance to non-profit hospitals across the state. Announcing the scheme in Tura on Monday, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma handed over the first installment of Rs 1 crore each to Tura Christian Hospital and Holy Cross Hospital. The total grant per hospital under this initiative amounts to Rs 2 crore. The Chief Minister said that the 5 charitable hospitals in different parts of the state will benefit from the policy, which aims to strengthen critical infrastructure and improve healthcare delivery. He explained that the funds can be utilized for constructing additional facilities, purchasing medical equipment and other infrastructure upgrades. The second installment, he added, will be released once the hospitals submit utilization certificates for the initial funding. He also underlined the government's recognition of the vital role played by missionary and charitable organizations in healthcare, calling the support a gesture of appreciation for their service to the people of Meghalaya. Sangma expressed gratitude to doctors, nurses and hospital staff for their tireless contributions, stating that their efforts often go unnoticed but are crucial in improving lives, especially in underserved regions. Hospitals in Jawai and Shillong are also said to receive similar support under the policy, reinforcing the state government's commitment to equitable and community-focused health care.
Non-profit hospitals which are serving the people of our state, and therefore if the government supports these hospitals by giving infrastructure development, then it will go a long way in supporting the people of our state. So that is really the thought behind this entire process. We have sanctioned 2 crores for every hospital, and today we are giving the first check of 1 crore, and obviously when the UC is submitted, then the next installment of 1 crore will be given. Apart from Holy Cross Hospital, we have another 5 more hospitals all across the state, which we will be giving checks to, including our mission hospital here in Tura, where another 2 crores also for the mission hospital will be given. Similarly in Shillong, in Jawai, in Shillong Nazik Hospital and Roberts Hospital, and our hospital in Jawai. So like that, there are many hospitals that are being supported, and we will continue to support in the future also.